Installing apps on Windows can be tricky. We wish it were simpler, but Windows often interrupts what should be a straightforward process. So, we'll show you here how to get your free 1-week trial of IA Writer. First, visit ia.net/writer to download the trial. Once you've downloaded the exe, open it. You'll see a Windows Defender pop up. Click More Info, then Run Anyway. After a moment, you will see the Setup wizard. Click Next to get started, and then choose whether to install IA Writer for just your user or all users on the PC. Click Next, and then approve the end-user license agreement. Choose which text files to open with Writer. Choose the install path, then whether to add icons. Then click Install. Check your taskbar to see if user account control is interrupting the process. Click to show it, and then click Yes to continue. After a brief period, the wizard will finish. You can launch the app and get writing.